Hey guys, I'm Hunter Fox. Today we're going on a video for an hour and a half, and let's see what we're gonna do.
Where are we going?
On a Via Rail.
What town? Do you remember what the town's called? Cobourg.
Cobourg, yeah!
And how are we getting to Via Rail?
Taking us somewhere in the UP train. Two
Yeah.
trains to get you one.
All right.
Let's go!
Here we are on the train. Yeah, going to Cobourg. Going super fast, eh?
Can we go, Mommy?
Yep, we'll follow.
By now, and then we're gonna go to the hotel.
Yep, we're here in Cobourg.
Yeah.
Just got off the Via Rail. Let's go.
3, 2, 1, action. Hey guys, I'm Hunter Fox, and we're here at different nationals. And we're at Snowbirds,
Cobourg.
at Cobourg,
Yeah. And do you know what the restaurant's called? Murphy's Pub.
Murphy's Pub,
Yeah.
and I just went swimming.
Yeah. And what did you order?
Cheese pizza, and we went on a date a few hours ago.
Yeah.
That was not too long ago, and we're going to take another bus on a via again on the way back for tomorrow at 1 o'clock. So let's see. I'm excited for it. Woohoo!
We're at the end of our trip, right, Thomas? Yeah. We're at the Cobourg Via train station. I tied up there. All right. So now we got our hot dog, and we'll get to the station,
Yeah.
and we'll wait for it to come. Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm Hunter Fox. Look, a train just passed by. Look. Look. Car, train. Now look to the other side. A cargo train. They said a Via train coming.